Want deeper sleep and better circulation overnight? There's a simple sock trick backed by science, and it starts at bedtime. Many people struggle with cold feet at night without realizing it's harming their sleep quality. When your feet are cold, your blood vessels constrict, keeping your body from cooling down naturally, and your brain can't enter deep sleep as easily. Here's the secret: warm feet signal your body it's safe to relax. Socks gently warm your feet, causing blood vessels to dilate. This helps your core temperature drop, a key trigger for melatonin release and deep sleep. So what do you gain from this simple habit? You fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, lower your risk of night wakings, promote skin repair and cellular health overnight, and support healthy circulation, which is key for longevity. Here's how to do it right. Choose soft, breathable socks, like cotton or wool. Make sure they're not tight. You want gentle warmth, not restriction. Put them on right before bed. No need to wear all day. If you wake up sweaty, just slip them off. The sock trick is a tiny change that supports your body's natural sleep process and healthy aging. Try it tonight, and subscribe to Biovate for more small hacks with big impact.